Hey, what's up guys? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel. So you've just purchased a brand new LG TV, but you're a little bit confused because you can't find a dedicated inputs button on the remote control. Well, you're not going mad because previously LG did have a dedicated inputs button, but they decided to swap it out and give us a AI button instead, which I think is a bit of a flop. But there is in fact a hidden inputs button on this remote, and I'm going to show you how you can access it. Now currently what you're probably doing to change your inputs is pressing on this button on the remote control once and going to the home hub. Now in here we can access the inputs, but it's all a bit messy and it takes up the full screen, meaning you are being drawn away from anything that you are potentially watching. But there is a better way that we can get to just the inputs. So if we come back out of this, and this time instead of pressing this button just once, if we hold it down, there we go, we get up just our inputs. And because those inputs are just displayed at the bottom of the screen, it means that you don't have to be drawn away from what you're potentially watching, and when you want to get rid of it, simply press the back button and away it goes. So there you go then guys, a very quick but handy tip, and I will be doing a full-on and very in-depth tips and tricks video very soon, and I can pretty much guarantee there will be tips and tricks in there that you will not know anything about, but will come in very handy indeed. So if you want to see that video, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a thumbs up. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.